The peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus, also known simply as the peregrine, and historically as the duck hawk in North America, is a cosmopolitan bird of prey, raptor, in the family Falconidae. A large crow-sized falcon, it has a blue-gray back, barred white underparts, and a black head. The peregrine is renowned for its speed. It can reach over 320 km/h, 200 mph, during its characteristic hunting stoop, high-speed dive, making it the fastest member of the animal kingdom. According to a National Geographic TV program, the highest measured speed of a peregrine falcon is 389 km/h, 242 mph. As is typical for bird-eating, avivore, raptors, peregrine falcons are sexually dimorphic, with females being considerably larger than males. How the peregrine falcon reaches high speeds. 1. Shape. The peregrine falcon has a sleek, aerodynamic body that helps it cut through the air. 2. Strong muscles. The bird has powerful muscles that allow it to flap its wings quickly. 3. Feathers. Its feathers are stiff and compact, reducing drag and allowing it to glide smoothly. 4. Dive position. When diving, the falcon tucks in its wings and tail to become more streamlined, reducing air resistance. The peregrine's breeding range includes land regions from the Arctic tundra to the tropics. It can be found nearly everywhere on Earth, except extreme polar regions, very high mountains, and most tropical rainforests. The only major ice-free landmass from which it is entirely absent is New Zealand. This makes it the world's most widespread raptor and one of the most widely found wild bird species. In fact, the only land-based bird species found over a larger geographic area owes its success to human-led introduction. The domestic and feral pigeons are both domesticate forms of the rock dove, which are a major prey species for Eurasian peregrine populations. Due to their prevalence over most other bird species in cities, feral pigeons support many peregrine populations as a staple food source, especially in urban settings. The peregrine is a highly successful example of urban wildlife in much of its range, taking advantage of tall buildings as nest sites and an abundance of prey such as pigeons and ducks. Both the English and scientific names of this species mean wandering falcon, referring to the migratory habits of many northern populations. Experts recognize 17 to 19 subspecies, which vary in appearance and range. Disagreement exists over whether the distinctive Barbary falcon is represented by two subspecies of Falco peregrinus or is a separate species, F. pellegrinoides. The two species' divergence is relatively recent, during the time of the last ice age. Therefore, the genetic differential between them, and also the difference in their appearance, is relatively tiny. They are only about 0.6–0.8% genetically differentiated. Although its diet consists almost exclusively of medium-sized birds, the peregrine will sometimes hunt small mammals, small reptiles, or even insects. Reaching sexual maturity at 1 year, it mates for life and nests in a scrape, normally on cliff edges or in recent times, on tall human-made structures. The peregrine falcon became an endangered species in many areas because of the widespread use of certain pesticides, especially DDT. Since the ban on DDT from the early 1970s, populations have recovered, supported by large-scale protection of nesting places and releases to the wild. The peregrine falcon is a well-respected falconry bird due to its strong hunting ability, high trainability, versatility, and availability via captive breeding. It is effective on most game bird species, from small to large. It has also been used as a religious, royal, or national symbol across multiple eras and areas of human civilization.